Okay, so now we're going to go up and catch these last two dialogues. Set device, network mode, and update device software. We're going to cover this one first, and you'll see why in a minute. This is a dialogue that we looked at earlier in one of the videos when we wanted to switch the operational mode of the DMX gateways from Net2 to ACN so they showed up in GCE. Well, now we're going to open this up all the way so we can see everything all at once. Let's go through everything in detail. We have the mode of operation. Right now everything is in ACN. You can click on any of these headers and then sort by that topic, and if you click it a second time it'll reverse the sort. But we have mode, name, IP address, type, application version, and SID. SID is a very large, ugly number. It's a 128-bit unique identifier for every device on an ACN network. It is not unique to the type of device, it is unique to the actual device. So no two DMX 4-port gateways will have the same SID. No show control or IO gateways will have the same one. They're completely unique. And GCE uses that information to determine that that is in fact the same device. Okay, so going through the buttons down the bottom here, we have switch to ACN mode, switch to Net2 mode. You can do that either by selecting gateways, and I'm holding down Control-click to select more, or you can select none, in which case it'll send out a broadcast to all devices. No, we're not going to do that right now. And update software. Update software will do just that. It'll tell the gateways to go get software, but there are a couple of catches here. In order for a gateway to download software, it needs to know where to ask for the software. This location is in the form of an IP address of the TFTP server on your network. A TFTP server is a program that will send software to devices that request it. So, we've got a couple of things here. GCE has a TFTP server on it. And down here, we also have to say where we want that to come from. Use the TFTP server IP address stored in the gateways, because when it got an IP address, it also got, it took that same IP address and used it for the TFTP server address as well. Or we can use the selected network interface IP addresses, which means you're going to use the current computer's IP address as a place to get software from. So if you don't know where they got their software, and you know you're going to turn on a TFTP server locally, select this and they'll download software from your computer. Last one is just go and specify one. If you know the IP address of EOS console, you could go and then type that in here and hit go and click OK, and it'll go and get software from that EOS console. So in this case, we'll go ahead and say from this computer and OK. And now everybody should go and try and get software. And to pick up that other one, update device software, that opens that same dialog. It's just a direct way of getting there instead of going through this one and clicking this button. Does the same thing. And as you can see, it takes a little while for them to come up. These two have already downloaded software and come back online. These 5 are still working on it. We're not going to wait for them. We're going to move on. See you in the next video.